Dishwasher's filthy. All the details of the dishwasher is dirty. It got dirty details. The dishwasher got dirty details. Let's get it together. Hold on 1 second. Let me get it. We're gonna get this together. Yes, sir. This thing nice and clean. Inside the crevices and the details. Dishwasher had dirty details. Clean the inside of the dishwasher. We usually just turn it on and let the inside wash.
Probably like this, I don't know where I don't need to go. You gotta take a shower.
Man, you got to take a shower after this.
I'll tell you, I don't sit admiral like this.
I don't even understand how they got it like this. This is ridiculous. And they have all this stuff on it. Like, lay this thing on again. Defrost this and get all the ice out of here, pour some hot water on here. So the ice can come. Hey, bro. Somebody gotta do it. But I can't put this back in your bucket. So, what we're gonna do is, yeah, I knew I should have did this first time. Get me my little bucket right here. A little bucket of water. Get it on in there. All right. Yes, sir. Man, got this thing looking good, man. When I first started this thing, I didn't think I was gonna get it looking this good. Oh. Get all this excess water up. There's the finished fridge, refrigerator and freezer. Looking nice and clean form compared to what we was at first. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that out. I got a little tool that I'm about to use to see if I can get that out. But that's just how I do it in a set, man. We are here to go over and beyond the cleaning expectations of our clients. And man, there's another one down. I'm out of here, peace.